Okay, for this one, for these 3 points to be on the same line, the slopes between AB and BC and AC all have to be the same. So let's figure out the slopes, right? So the slope between A and B, right, is y2 minus y1, 6 minus 5, over negative 2 minus 3, negative 2 minus 3. So the slope between points A and B comes out to be 1 over negative 5, negative 1/5. Now the slope between B and C, right, the slope between B and C is y2 minus y1, 7 minus 6, over negative 5 minus negative 2, negative 5 minus negative 2, right? So the slope of BC comes out to be 1 over negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So 1 over 3, negative 1/3, right? Negative 1/3. So we don't even need to go any further because we already see that these two slopes are not the same, right? And they have to be, right? For a straight line, anywhere on this line, right? Anywhere, if I take the slope from here to here, or if I take the slope from here to here, this slope has to be the same. So we could say, you know, are they on the same line? No, because the slopes are not the same, and we don't even need to do AC.